Hello everyone, today video I'm going to pick some seasonal fruits around the house for a snack, a very popular Cambodian snack. So let's see what do I have around my house over here. So first here start with sapodilla. I got a big sapodilla tree and lot of fruits right here. But this fruit only eat when ripe, and this one I don't know what to call, but it's ready to eat now. And here I get some tamarind. It's very high tree, so I need to cut some stick and pull them off. And over here I don't know what to call either. I don't know what to call it, what fruit is this in English, but it's a little bit sour and crispy. Over here got some flower, beautiful flower here, and here I get some star fruits. Just pick some of them, star fruits right here. It's good, very fresh and tasty. Yeah, some here too. There are lots of fruit here in this season around the house, all organic. And here got one papaya and another two fruits here, which is I don't know the name. And here got jujube. This one sweet and sour jujube. Three flavor jujube here. Just get some of them mixed together will be enough. And here I go to pick some sapodilla again. This one got some rib sapodilla so that we can eat it. Just back of the house, this one. Got vanilla tree over there, and here got some green banana. Good combination with those. And the sweet one, I have to pick some candy over here. The can tree just in front of the house. Just a few for the sweet. All organic. And need to pick some lime to make for ingredients so that we have a big snack for 3 people. This one is a very popular Cambodian snack, and I have it at the rice field at the evening. They're very delicious. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I will see you next video.